Chapter 36, Hagoth. About 55 years before the birth of Jesus Christ, thousands of Nephite men, women, and children left Zarahemla and traveled north. One of them, a man named Hagoth, built a large ship and launched it into the West Sea. Many Nephites took food and supplies and sailed north in his ship. Hagoth then built other ships that carried people to a land northward. The first ship returned and picked up even more people. One other ship set sail. None of the ships returned, and the Nephites never knew what happened to the people.